Hey friends, hey YouTube, hey everyone. This is Easy Math here. Today we are going to learn a very important topic of class 10th, that is sets. First, we'll go through the introduction. So, first we need to know what is a set. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. And those objects are called as elements. So we see that everything is an object and everything can be called as an element. So we'll write a set. The basic necessity to write a set is that we need to name the set first. What is the name? Let me give the name. Let this set be called a set A, and it is mandatory to write the set in form of capital blocks. A set A is equal to, we open a curly bracket, and for example I'll write a few numbers, that is 1 comma 2 comma 3, and I'll close the bracket, and this is a set. So we wrote a set. What is a set? This set is a set of natural numbers starting from 1, 2 and ending at 3. Now I'll take another set and write A, comma E, comma I, comma O, comma U. This is a set of vowels in English language. So we see that there is no restriction for sets to write only numbers. We can even write letters, and we can even write the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, episode, Sunday. This is another set. So this is the method of writing sets, and there are two methods of writing sets, that is set builder and roster. These are the only two forms that we use to write a set. First we'll discuss the roster form. So roster form, what is roster form? Roster form can also be said as a list form. That is, we write it in a form of list, or we can call it as a normal form. Normal form. So we'll take a roster form example. So I'll take a set A as the set of numbers starting from 2 ending at 10. We'll take an example of even numbers starting from 2 ending at till 10. That is the first 5 even numbers, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the first 5 even numbers. Now we'll take another example of the prime numbers, that is the numbers that have factors 1 in itself. We'll take the first 5 factors, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So we'll take another set example. Let's set C. Let this set be an example of the whole number starting from 0, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the whole numbers that starts from 0 and end to 5, that is the first 6 whole numbers. Now we'll move on to the set builder form. So we knew what is roster form. Now set builder form is the opposite of the roster form. That is, set builder form uses statements to convey the meaning of a set. For example, we'll take the examples of the previous sets, that is set A. Set A was supposed to be the prime numbers, that is the even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. These are the even numbers, that is the first 5 even numbers. Now this is the roster form. Now I need to write this roster form into set builder form. I'll write it as, the name of the set should be same. It is compulsory that the name should not be changed, and we'll write it as X. We'll denote each element as X such that this is read as X such that X. It implies that this X is an element which is X such that X is a natural number and x, so x such that x is a natural number, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are natural numbers, and x is even. This is one form of the set builder form. Now I'll take another example. This gives me the limit x such that x is even, and these are the first 5 natural numbers. So I'll take x is less than 11, x such that x is even, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are even, and x is less than 11. So we see this is the set builder form. Now we'll take the example of second set, that is the first 5 prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. These are the first 5 prime numbers. Now, so B is a set of prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, that is they are less than 12. So we can write this set builder form as x such that x is prime, that is these are the prime numbers, and the limit of x is less than 12. This is the set builder form for the prime numbers. We'll take the previous example of C set, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the first 6 whole numbers. We'll write the set builder form as x such that x is whole number and x is less than 6. So these are the two forms of writing sets. So these were the two forms of writing sets. Now in the next class we'll discuss what are the types of sets and how do we identify each set from the other set.